Hello, in front of me I've got the DDPAI Z50. In this video I'll show you how to install and uninstall SD card. Firstly, let's prepare your SD card, and now take a look at the left side of the dashcam. Open this cover and hold it like this. Now you have to install SD card with chip facing backwards. Push it until it clicks, and now you can close the cover. To uninstall SD card, push it again, and now you can take it out. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.